like evidence. The first day that we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget.
Good afternoon, y'all. Today is Thursday the 18th, and it is about 12 something. We just moving around and getting up. Mister is doing the honors of cooking breakfast. I told him that I would treat us to breakfast, well, lunch or whatever this is, brunch. He said egg sandwiches, and that sounded good. And I mentioned before that I love when he cooks me eggs. So he about to make us some bacon and egg sandwiches, and we gotta do a little running around today, and I'm gonna take y'all with us. We just been really chilling. I haven't been feeling too good, but I'm just like starting to feel better. And I did call off from work today. I just didn't have it in me today, but hopefully I feel better all the way 100 tomorrow to go my butt on back to work for Friday. But yeah, thank y'all for clicking on my video. Make sure y'all hit that like. I'm D if you are new, and welcome to the vlog. And his auntie is on plantain over here. And he makes the bacon and eggs, garlic bacon and egg sandwiches over here. Don't mind the washing machine in the back, or dryer. This is my egg sandwich with cheese and toast and bacon. Hey y'all, it is Friday and I'm off work. I am in the kitchen with Mister, and he is seasoning us some steaks. But I showed y'all in the last vlog, we went to the meat store. So tonight for dinner, we're gonna have sweet yam, asparagus, and the T-bone steaks. I'm gonna show y'all Mister and him seasoning them. And then I'll check back in with y'all when I start cooking. I'm just gonna throw these in the oven for tonight. And yeah. So far, he only did rosemary and what's that?
Salt, pepper, and rosemary.
Salt, pepper, and rosemary. That's all you putting?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna put onions and throw it in the oven, but I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour and marinate for a little while, and then we'll be back to y'all.
I picked it up because it said tequila.
And what kind of tequila is it?
Azteca Azul.
Azteca Azul.
Azteca.
Let everybody see.
Azul.
Y'all, we about to open this and try it. This is something he picked up while I was asleep or at work. I don't know, y'all.
You was at work?
Liquor. So we about to try it. Try it. Take a little shot and see how. Do it taste like Patron, or do it like what it tastes like?
Tequila. It tastes like tequila.
But Casamigos don't taste like Patron, and it's tequila. So that might have its own like taste. So take a shot and see what it tastes like. Do it taste like Patron?
Oh.
See what it tastes like?
But
Do it taste like Casamigos?
It tastes like a sweet Patron.
Hold on, let me taste it. Hold on, y'all, I'm about to taste it. All right, y'all, he put me a little bit in here so I can taste it.
Sweet Patron.
It do got like a little sweet taste. Let me show y'all again just in case y'all see it and y'all want to pick it up. And I have some, I'm just drinking orange juice, and I'm about to put some of this in it. In our food, we're having sweet yam, like I told y'all. Baby has wrapped some asparagus with bacon and some is without. And the steak should be getting done. And I will show y'all my plate once everything is finished. And all right, y'all, I just wanted to pop in to show y'all. These are Mister's keys. And here goes his keychain. I know I didn't show y'all up close really how it looks. because I was at my vanity. If I can turn it around, y'all. But anybody that drives, it's just a cute little thing. It says drive safe, handsome, I love you, with the little 2 hearts. I just want to show y'all up close. They have a lot of different ones. So like whatever profession that your husband or significant other is in, you can find them something cute. He probably don't never look at this keychain, but it'll make me happy that I got it and he got it on there. So that's it, y'all. This is dinner with some little steak sauce on the side. I just put kosher salt and black pepper on my sweet yam. I'm about to eat. Hey y'all, it is Saturday afternoon and I did get off work early today. I wanted to pop in and show y'all something that I had got yesterday. I just got out the shower. It's about 2 something. No, it gotta be later than that. I'm tripping. Hold on, let me look. It's 3:57 because I got off at 1, so I knew it had to be later than 2. But let me show y'all something I picked up yesterday. And I'm just prepping my face and pulling out my makeup because Mr.'s cousin's birthday is tomorrow, but he's having his get together tonight. I will be taking y'all with me. It's just like a house party, eating, chilling. I'll get some clips and stuff like that, and I'll show y'all when me and Mr. gets dressed. Like I said, I just got done taking my shower and doing my skincare. I'm just want to pop in and show y'all what I got from the thrift store. I got this bag for $3.99. It is pearls. So cute with a gold chain. I love it. Had to get it. And I looked up this brand, and I've had a purse in this brand before, so I knew this was a high brand purse. These purses on the original app was like $100 and something to $200. So for me to find this for $3 something is amazing. I have a lot of pearl stuff, and anytime I get dressed like very dressy or whatever, I have this in my arsenal to pull out and use. It is in great condition, y'all. I love it. Just big enough to fit the phone, lip gloss, hand lotion, and hand sanitizer, with a little pocket that you can put money or whatever you want to put in. And I love it. And I did pick this up yesterday. I am about to finish taking care of my face. I'll wait for my cousin-in-law to call me back because she's going to a cookout also, and I'm helping her find something to wear. And once I finish getting dressed later on, I'll show you what me and Mr. are wearing. And I'm drinking tequila and orange juice. And I may change my phone case too. Yeah, I'm gonna change my phone case definitely because my phone case is pink. We're wearing orange, white, and blue. Y'all know I'm extra, so I gotta change it. I'll come back and talk to you guys later. I just wanted to pop in and show y'all my find. Yeah, bye y'all. Okay, y'all, it's a little bit later and I'm starting to get ready. I'm priming my face with the Power Grip Primer. I know y'all done seen everybody talking about this. Y'all, I really need to check my makeup and see if my stuff is expired or what. And I need a new foundation. I need a couple of new things. But y'all know I really haven't been going nowhere to like really just update my makeup. And I think this is the first time I'm doing my makeup since New Year's. Since the New Year's vacation. I'm just gonna prime my face. I'm using this brush that I bought before my birthday vacation. Y'all know I got a new brush set. I'm just using this blush brush because y'all know I don't use nothing that is for. So this is a blush brush, but it spreads out my primer really, really good. Y'all see how my nails get a lot of makeup under my nails. So I'm just doing it like this. And I'll check back in with y'all. Okay, y'all, my foundation is on. I have a funny color skin, so I have to use 3 different shades. I have to use NC50 and MAC. I have to use Amber Honey in Estee Lauder. And then to make my neck blends, I have to use Rich Caramel in Estee Lauder to see how my neck blends up. Then my face is a little deeper. This is a little lighter. So I add this in going up to make the neck match, because y'all know I'm going to be blending in contour and everything like that. So I blend the lighter color up. So it's lighter down here and a little darker around here. So I don't want to take all day, so that's why I'm just coming in, popping in and out. So this is full foundation. Then I'm gonna do my contour, blush, and lips, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, my face is all done. Y'all, this LA Girl palette right here comes from Dollar General. I really need to get me another one. I could take this and everything in this bag anywhere with me and do my face. I love this. I like to do neutral looks, especially when I'm wearing like light colors. I use this. It's about to fall apart, but I love it. It's from LA Girl. This, I set my face with this and the MAC Studio Fix spray, and then this one size Patrick Star waterproof foundation, because y'all know it's in Florida. It might be kind of humid tonight. And my go-to lip combination is Spike from MAC and Night Moth from MAC. This is my all-time favorite lip. The majority of the time when y'all see me do my makeup, this is going to be the lip combination that I use. So I'm about to do my lips right quick and probably spray my face again, and then I'll be back. Y'all, we are ready. I'm gonna put some clips in of our full body. This is Mr. Casual. Y'all know his outfit. Y'all know his outfit is from Shein. His slides are from Nike. And my jumper is from a Family Dollar, I think I end up finding. And I have my shell bag from Shein. Oh, and we are about to get ready and leave and go to the party. But I just wanted to check in with y'all before we left the house. I got my shell earrings in. Y'all know I always wear my butterfly necklace and my Apple Watch. And we are getting ready to go. Good afternoon, y'all. It is Sunday. And after we got dressed and left, I did not record anything. I ended up having a good time. I just got up. It's like 11 something. I washed my face and brushed my teeth and stuff, and I'm just chilling right now. I told y'all yesterday, I think that we're going to the movies in Hairpins today, so I'm going to make that its own separate vlog so I can have a little more content. So I just wanted to pop in with y'all today. Today is the 21st, his cousin's actual birthday. So they supposed to be meeting up with us tonight after the movies. I ain't gonna say who all coming because we don't really know who all gonna show up, but whoever show up because we going. So I will check in with y'all later, and I'm gonna start working on my date, my day date vlog. So thank y'all for sticking in with me this long. If y'all are still here, put me some orange hearts down in the chat. I have been holding those outfits. Like I said, my romper comes from Goodwill. My shoes came from Dollar General. I said Family Dollar. I showed y'all the slides before. I'm gonna show them to y'all because I didn't show y'all last night. The shell purse comes from Shein. The outfit Mr. had on came from Shein. Y'all know I pick those outfits up all the time because y'all know Mr. is over the road. So a lot of times when he comes home, just for not to have a hassle with finding something to wear, I keep us some new sets. So that happened to be one that I put together. I couldn't find a matching outfit for me on Shein, but I ended up running across that romper at Goodwill, so I had got it, and it was perfect. A perfect little outfit together for a little house party or whatever. So that was that. Like I said, put some orange hearts in the chat if y'all made it this far, and I will check back in with y'all later. And make sure y'all hit that like. Bye. All right, y'all. We decided to do a Uber Eats delivery. And our food just got here. I'm going to show y'all what we got right quick. Alright, y'all, this is our food. I'm about to open it and show y'all what we got. Okay, y'all, Mr. got shrimp and grits again. He loves it now, y'all. I got pancakes. I got bacon and eggs. And I have cheddar grits. And then I have some sausage gravy back here. And I'm going to share my pancakes with Mr. And we are about to enjoy, y'all. I'm so hungry. Alright, y'all, it is 10:14 and I'm about to slowly start getting ready because the movie starts at 4:10 and I don't want to have to like be rushing to get to the movies on time. So I'm about to take care of my skin and start prepping my face to do my makeup and put my clothes on and make sure I like how it look together while I still have a little time to change if I need to. I will be going on to my next vlog. So in the next vlog, you will see what I'm wearing and where we end up going and all that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. But before I end it, let me know an old school thing that you do that has stuck with you, like that you learned from your grandma or your mom or anybody like older in your family. One of my things is doing the Kappa bleach in the water when you take your bath. And I can't think of another one, but if I think of another one, I'll type mine down in the comments also. So let me know what old school thing y'all still carry with y'all from y'all mother or grandma or somebody older in y'all family. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another one. Bye, y'all.